Hello to everyone. I am Professor Raja, working as an assistant professor, EC Department, SNS College of Technology and Autonomous Institution at Coimbatore. In this YouTube video, we are going to discuss about the 19 ECO 301 Consumer Electronics subject, the Unit 1 topic Audio System under the topic of Wireless Microphones. So based on my previous YouTube video, you may have some knowledge about what is meant by a microphone and what are the various characteristics of microphone. A microphone is an electronic transducer which converts an acoustic signal into its corresponding electrical signal with the proper shape and frequency. And we see the important characteristics of microphone, that is the output level, the output impedance, and the frequency response, and the fourth and important one is the directivity. Now in this YouTube video we see the one type of microphone, and commercially available microphone is a wireless microphone which is used in any auditorium or any political speech or wherever you have seen as a singer they having wireless microphone is an important audio conversion. Now we'll go to the side. So the ultimate in mobility is afforded by the wireless because there is no connecting cables and there is the user free to move around over a distance of several hundred meters. So by using this wireless microphone without any wired communication, we have freely moved around the auditorium within a range of a few several hundred meters. There are two basic types. One where the radio transmitter is contained within the case of an actual microphone, and the other which takes the form of a slim packet unit about the size of a wallet into which an ordinary microphone can be plugged. So based on this we know that there are two types of wireless microphones are available. One is we can handle the microphone with our hand with the free of wireless, and another one is the packet based. Suppose if any anchor or any DJ is able to walk or move to sing a song, we are using this packet kind of microphone. This picture will show how the packet microphone will look like. So the left hand side is the hands-free wireless microphone and the right hand side is the packet based or wallet based microphone. If you see that the right hand side, the below portion is having a small microphone which is inserted into a packet transmitter, and suppose if this is worked under a wired basis or wireless basis, we need to plug in for charger, so that is also placed here. So this will show what is the definition of wireless microphone. Next we see what are the various parts of a microphone. As I said previously, the wireless microphone consists of the integral microphone or transmitter is larger than a normal gun microphone, as batteries must be accommodated as well as transducer and transmitter. So in order to provide some proper power to the transmitter microphone, a batteries of at least 9 voltage will used for providing the proper power supply, and this 9 volt proper battery is acting on the average lifetime of 3 to 5 hours, but whereas if we use rechargeable batteries are often to fitted to make the instrument more economic to run. With the separate pocket transmitter or a tie-up clip microphone, it can be also used to give complete freedom to the user. The antenna or aerial takes the form of a short flexible lead which trails from a microphone which a usual length of quarter wavelength at the permitted frequency of carrier wave. The transmission is picked upon a special receiver which tunes the frequency used and demodulates the signal, deliver an audio frequency output which can then be applied to amplifier and recorded in the normal way. In general, the user which uses this wireless microphone will handle the mic with their hand. Then based on this wireless frequency, it can be transmitted from a transmitter to a receiver with some proper frequency. Then the receiver is attached with the amplifier. So through this amplifier, the sound is recorded and delivered to the output medium. So this is a figure which shows the normal microphone with the packet based microphone. So when I told we have used for wireless frequencies, there are four group of frequencies are used for transmitting. Imagine suppose in an auditorium two mics are used, so there are two different frequencies are there. That groups are The firstly a group with a wide band of 174.1, 174.5, 174.8 and 175 MHz, and the second group is of narrow bandwidth of 174.6, 174.675, 174.77, 174.885 and 175.020 MHz. And the third group which uses the narrow bandwidth, which are reserved for teaching deaf children in schools, that are 173.4, 173.465, 173.545 and 173.64 MHz. In addition to that, a circumstance, the frequencies of 174.675 and 174.95 MHz are allocated for communication on worst cases. A narrow bandwidth is specified in a deviation of plus or minus 20 kHz and it is suitable for most speech application, whereas the wide bandwidth allocation allow a deviation of plus or minus 75 kHz and give the better quality reproduction required by the stage and cabaret artist. So the transmitter output power must not be exceed 50 milliwatts in the case of narrowband transmitter and 10 milliwatts with the wideband units. Certain specifications also apply to the receiver. Signal to noise ratio must be better than 30 decibel and selectivity such that a signal within the deviation of plus 10 kHz and a 70 kHz away from a wanted signal in the case of narrowband receiver and with a deviation of 2.5 kHz. Then inferencing signal of 3 millivolts should not be give a signal in the output greater than the 10 decibel above noise level in the case of wideband receiver and 20 decibel above with that of narrow bandwidth. It is possible for any receiver to generate and radiate signal from the local oscillator, which is the part of super-heterodyne circuit which is universally used. The specification stipulates that any such signal radiates from the receiver aerial should not exceed 2.5 microwatt at any frequency. These stringent requirements serve to protect the user from effect of jamming. Jamming means there are more noises are occurring to the microphone and the interference, if anything unwanted are added with the original input signal, are completely avoided by using this wireless phone. In general, a VHF wireless phone is commercially used. This figure shows a normal day-to-day life used VHF wireless system. So this wireless system only used in any auditorium or large political function and not even a small cinema hall function also. The black color lengthened shows the wireless transmitter or the packet based transmitter. The below part white color shows the wireless receiver. So in this YouTube video we discussed what is meaning of wireless microphone and how the wireless microphones are used in real-time applications, and there are three important blocks in wireless microphone. One is the transmitter, second one is the wireless receiver, and the third one is the aerial antenna which is communicated both transmitter and receiver. Next we see four different type of frequencies which is used for transmitting a wireless microphone signal, and at last we see what are the advantages and applications of wireless microphone. So thank you for watching my video. I will see in the next YouTube video.